Hey guys, we're on a mission. We need to buy a coconut for the biko. The one there is the cemetery of Cordova, Cebu, Cebu, Philippines. Oh no, si John man to? Si John man to? That was kind of awkward. I'm an old employee of his, and it's kind of awkward seeing his car drive in. So awkward, dude. I'm gonna say he's from here. I mean, his life is from here, so it's expected that he kind of drive around November 1. It is also today or also today. And our tradition is like going to the cemetery and visit people who passed away. I don't know why we have the tradition, but we always do that on November 1. And it's not a bad thing, you know? It's really like a good tradition. Uh, why lubi diri ang kanang pang biko? Why maligya lubi diri pang biko? Oh, darate. Darate. Salamat. Asa pang biko na te video na te? Okay, bawon sa akong pupili. Tulo lang. Sorry na ba?